How to log out of Bybit application on your smartphone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to sign out of your Bybit application on your mobile device, then first of all, open the Bybit app on your device. And now once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click the gear icon at the top right. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a logout button. Before logging out of your account, make sure that you remember your credentials so that you can get back to your account. Once you're sure you want to log out, click the logout button and click on confirm to confirm the logout. And there you have successfully logged out of your Bybit application. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.